Uzodinma under fire over new law. The Administration of Criminal Justice Law (ACJL) is an adaptation of the Act passed by the National Assembly. ACJL is by original design a vital piece of legislation that is intended to enrich Nigerians' criminal jurisprudence with a process that seeks to protect human rights while ensuring that justice is served in the shortest possible time. Professor Yemi Akinseye George, a senior advocate of Nigerian SAN, in his overview of the law and what it was designed to achieve, wrote, "The purpose of this act is to ensure that the system of administration of criminal justice in Nigeria promotes efficient management of criminal justice institutions, speedy dispensation of justice, protection of the society from crime, and protection of the rights and interests of the suspects, the defendant, and the victim." The purpose of the Act, as captured, is a deliberate shift from punishment as the main goal of our criminal justice to restorative justice, which pays attention to the needs of the society, the victims, vulnerable persons, and the rights and interests of a defendant. As good as the law is, questionable discoveries and ethical inconsistencies observed in the Imo State ACJL threw up a great uproar across the state and country last week, with calls and palpable outrage threatening to maroon the law. Following the recent gazetting of Imo ACJL, a few sections of the law stuck out like sore thumbs. Their literal contents were clearly an affront to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The most offending portion of the law is in the area that deals with the pleasure of the governor, found in Section 484 and 485. Section 484 provides that where any person is ordered to be detained during the governor's pleasure, he shall, notwithstanding anything in this law or in any other written law contained by liable, to be detained in such place and under such condition as the governor may direct, and whilst so detained shall be deemed to be in legal custody. The law also provides that a person detained during the pleasure of the governor may also be discharged upon being granted a license by the governor. Section 485 provides a person detained during the governor's pleasure may at any time be discharged by the governor on license. A license under subsection 1 of this section may be in such form and may contain such conditions as the governor may direct. A license under this section may at any time be revoked or varied by the governor, and where license has been revoked, the person is to whom the license relates shall proceed to such place as the governor may direct, and if he fails to do so, may be arrested without warrant and taken to such place. While officials of the state government have said the section was part of the originally act passed by the National Assembly, not a few persons have described the section as obnoxious and tyrannical, regardless of where it was derived from. As at the last count, no fewer than 4 members of the Imo State House of Assembly have issued public statements in condemnation of the obnoxious section of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law (ACJL), signed into law by Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State 6 months ago. They only maintained that the document signed into law was not the copy they deliberately upon and produced at the floor of the Imo State House of Assembly. Thank you for listening to this news. I knew it from the beginning that Uzodinma was telling a lie. I knew it that he was telling a lie from the beginning. When it was said that he has signed a bill that gives him the right to detain anyone in the state as he pleases. You can see, nothing is hidden. The truth will always reveal itself, and that is what is happening now. Uzodinma should defend himself. He should defend himself. A bloody liar. He thought that the truth will not be revealed. He thought that the truth will forever be hidden. It has been revealed. Signing the bill even made him to put himself into more trouble. See the trouble he has just put himself into. The law have to mar him instead of marring the people. He was now marred by the law. The law have to place him on a very terrible condition. And he has no choice than to dance to the tune of the law, to obey the law, or else, as the law stated in 485 of the law, that if he fails to do as instructed, he will be arrested. You understand? So, I won't lie to you, my viewers. Since Uzodinma assumed office, he has been doing so many things that is outside the law of Nigeria. I'm telling you, most of the things he has been doing in Imo State are things that has nothing to do with the Nigerian constitution and with the law of Nigeria. And that is why the people made him the chief judge or the executive governor of Supreme Court. And when they call him by that name, he gets offended. He gets offended. Why getting offended? Was it not the people that granted him victory? This is serious. Now he have heard it. Now he has listened to the real side of the story. So he should defend himself then. I laugh. It's just the beginning. More truth will be revealed as Uzodinma will continue to go down drastically. So my viewers, what is your take? What is your advice? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.